So I've got my ergonomic keyboard and mouse combo. I want to go ahead and just show you the features of both. One thing to note about this is that these do take batteries, and they do come with batteries for both, so the seller does provide those. Also, on the back side of your mouse, this is where our USB receiver is going to be located. So all you have to do is just put that into a USB port for your computer, and it's going to connect right away. Now this does have a full-size keypad right here, and we've got a large pad right through here. This is actually kind of soft, some foam that allows you to put your hands right here on the keyboard, and it puts mine in a more comfortable position. So instead of my hands being straight like a regular keyboard, since it's ergonomic and it's kind of highly centered right here, it allows me to go ahead and put those in just a more comfortable position. Also right here, there are some indicators letting you know if the number lock is on or the caps, or there's a low battery, which is fantastic. And then on the bottom side here, we can go ahead and just kind of flip those out to go ahead and change the angle of the keyboard, and this is where your battery is located. On the mouse itself, it's actually 4 buttons. We got 2 right here, 2 more, that's 4. We can actually roll that. And then we also have a DPI switch button. It connected really quick to my computer. It's real easy to use. Of course, but your hand and your thumb are just going to sit right on here real comfortable. Overall, I really like it. Super easy to set up, and I hope you found this helpful.